To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Hi, welcome back, Detective. Today we get to be a flamingo. Can you say flamingo? Flamingo. That's a pretty pink bird. And these birds, we're gonna try to fly like our feathered flamingo because we have to find our next clue. Are you ready? Okay, fly like a flamingo. Fly, flamingo, fly. Oh, I think we're almost there. I see it. Ready and land. Okay. I think our sound monster has a clue. Should we call him? Sound monster. Sound monster. Sound monster. Hi, sound monster. How are you? I'm great, except for I have a problem. There's a flamingo that's keeping our letter that we need. Oh no. What do we need to do? He said every time that you hear the sound in our story, you have to flap your arms like a flamingo. Let's get started. All right, do you remember what you're supposed to do? Every time you hear the sound, you flap your hands like a flamingo. Ready? Frankie the flamingo flew over a fence and caught his wing. He started flapping his feathers furiously and flew into his feathered friends. What a crazy flamingo! I think I see something. It's the fence he ran into. Oh my goodness. Thank you, flamingo, for bringing me the letter F. This is the letter F. Its name is F. What's its name? F. What's its name? F. Its sound is what are my lips doing? Oh, my lips are underneath my teeth. What are my teeth doing? Oh, my upper teeth go on top of my bottom lip. What's my tongue doing? My tongue is at the very bottom of my mouth. What's my voice box doing? It's not vibrating. That means it's only using my breath. All right, let's see if it can go on forever or if it stops. Did it go on forever for you too? Oh my goodness, that's a forever letter. It can go on forever. Let's learn my action. So when you make a fence, you have to hit it down with a hammer. So I'm going to hammer down my fence. Are you guys ready? F, fence. Ready? Do it again. F, fence. Try it by yourself. Let's try it together. F, fence. Way to go. Let's practice our letter sounds so that we never forget them again. Ready, set, go.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, A. T, table, T. S, snake, S. P, pig, N, nut, N. I, itch, I. C, cat, K. F, fence.
We've learned a lot of letters. That song is getting longer and longer every single time. Did you remember all the letters and all their sounds? You did? That's so exciting. This is an uppercase F. What is this? Uppercase F. This is an uppercase F. What is this letter? Uppercase F. This is a lowercase f. What's this letter? lowercase f. What's this letter? Lowercase f. Do you think you can help me sort these letters? Uppercase F, uppercase F, uppercase F, uppercase F, uppercase F, lowercase f, lowercase f, lowercase f, lowercase f, lowercase f. Are you guys ready to write your letters? I am so excited. But before we do you remember my song? You do? Let's sing it. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. We're going to write with uppercase F and lowercase f. Now, uppercase F is going to start at the top. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, start at the skyline, go across the skyline, pick up my pencil, go across the mountain line. That's uppercase F. Let's try it one more time. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, start at the skyline, go across the skyline, pick up my pencil, go across the mountain line. Now, lowercase f is also going to start at the skyline, but we want to go down off the skyline just a little bit because we're going to make a cane. Are you ready? Start just off my skyline, go around, touch the skyline, down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, and cross on the mountain line. Let's do it one more time. Start at just off the skyline, up and touch the skyline, down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, and across on the mountain line. Way to go! I'm going to tell you a word and I want you to tap the sounds on your Sound Monster board. Can you say if? Tap the sounds. Did you say if? Say fin. Tap the sounds. Did you say in? Now I'm going to tell you the sounds and I want you to tell me the word. Off. Did you say off? Ib. Did you say fib? We have learned all about the letter F. Can you do this page on your own? We just finished talking about the letter F. If you did that page on your own and you are ready to move on, you can color the letter F. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.